In this video, I will show you how you can AirDrop from your iPhone to your iPad. Now, to do that, first of all, on your iPad, just open the Control Center, then open the Connection section in the Control Center. Now from here, just enable AirDrop, then tap on this arrow icon over here. Now if it is on Contacts Only, just select Everyone for 10 minutes. After you enable AirDrop on your iPad, then just open the Control Center on your iPhone, then go to the Connection section in your iPhone. You just make sure that AirDrop has been enabled, and also if it is on Contacts Only, just select Everyone for 10 minutes. After you do that, now on your iPhone, just select the file which you want to AirDrop. For example, I will AirDrop these photos to this iPad. So I'll tap on Select. I will select the photos which I want to AirDrop. After I select the photos, then just tap on the Share button. And from this menu, just select AirDrop. After you do that, under Devices, just select your iPad. And these are the files which we have shared using AirDrop. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.